In this video, we'll talk about project priorities and how to use them in project reports. Project priorities is an add-on that you can enable in Project Insight, and once enabled, you'll be taken to this page to configure it. As you can see in this workspace, we already have a high, medium, and low priority. For each priority, you can give it a code for the project priority. You can give it a ranking. That's the rank for sorting the project priority on reports, for example. You can give it a display order value, and this is the display order of the project priority in lists, like in the drop-down on a project edit page or new project page. And you can also give each priority its own color, as well as you can set one to be a default for selection in the different drop-down lists. You can also enable priorities on project and on tasks. So on this report, you can see we've included the priority column, and you can see there's high, low, medium, and you can also see that I've did a group by on priority. So you can see high, medium, low. There's 14 projects under high. There's 24 projects that are medium, and 7 projects that have a low priority, and then also 10 that haven't been categorized at all. In this example, you can see for the filter, I'm doing a date filter that occurs in the current year. I sorted on project managers of Patrick Insight, which is who I'm logged in as right now. And I did a group by on priority. You can also filter on priority by coming in here, and let's say I want to see all the all the projects with a priority of high. You just come in here and select high and run the report, and you'll see I get just the high priorities.